Good morning everyone. So now we are in Hotel Bazman, Sonmarg, and from Sonmarg to Ladakh it's Leh, it's 430 kilometers. So the first stop is Dras and then Kargil and then Leh. So now it's 7 a.m. in the morning and we slept like 5 hours, and now we'll be packing everything. Everything is now unpacked. Now the plan is we'll all be living together finally from Sonmarg. So from Sonmarg till Dras, then Kargil and then Ladakh. So this is the plan, and hopefully it will take almost 9 to 10 hours because the roads are not that much good till Dras. So now everything is good. We are almost done with our day-to-day routines. This is one of the wonderful views I have never seen in my life. Treat to watch this view. Amazing. This place is so cold, man. It's almost 7 a.m. in the morning and it's like I'm freezing. 10 degree, 12 degree temperatures. That river is Indus that flows to Pakistan. We'll be unpacking. I will be packing everything. You'll be seen in the next scene of this video. Okay, so guys, we are all set for the Ladakh ride. Now we are 3 couple boys in the market and everything is packed up. As you can see, today the destination is Ladakh. So finally this is day 5 of from Sonmarg to Ladakh, and thank you so much मोहसिन भाई. बहुत सही इनका हॉस्पिटैलिटी है, बहुत अच्छा नेचर है. So all set for the ride. Okay, so it's 1030 kilometers, 1030 kilometers done till now from Delhi, and we'll be leaving for our dream destination of Ladakh. Let's go. And it's 7:30 in the morning, and as you can see, we are all set. Hopefully everything will go fine. We won't face any, and you can see Dras is 62 kilometers from here, and as we heard from the hotel in charge, he told us that you will be crossing Zojila Pass in probably 25 to 30 kilometers ahead of Sonmarg. So all set. I just pray to God so that everything will be fine. So guys, there is some problem that is coming in Ajay's bike R15. We don't know what is this problem, because it's not picking up the speed when it's climbing. So don't know the reason. So guys, now the bike is doing good, because he called one of his mechanic and he told him कि लाइट ऑन करके चलाओ बाइक. तो नाउ अभी बाइक अच्छी चल रही है, बट बाइक तो अच्छी चल रही है, सब अच्छा चल रहा है, बट व्यूज कितने अच्छे चल रहे हैं ये देखो. एंड our next main hurdle of whole of the trip is Zojila Pass. So we have to cross that Zojila Pass very soon. It's totally lush greens environment. Oh man, कोई pollution नहीं Delhi में. It's very much polluted. Delhi is too polluted, but you can see it's so wonderful. No pollution, everything is green, eco-friendly, eco-environment. So that's what you want. That's why people come for Ladakh.
So we have covered 18 kilometers from our hotel, and it's the roads are getting bad now. Hopefully we won't face any puncture and all. So now the formation is Kapil Bhai is leading from the front. Ajay is behind because he was having some issues in the bike. Now his bike is running fine, and Sangram is at the third position and I am at the last position. So this is the formation. You can see the roads are getting bad. It's very now actually the adventure starts basically. This is what I have come for. Now oh, can you see the roads are too much tight. So yesterday we stayed in Sonmarg. We got two benefits. First of all, first benefit was we visited Sonmarg and we had done trekking, as you have seen in the last video. Now second reason is that we acclimatized the environment. So guys, till Dras we will be facing this type of road as told by our hotel in charge, and so after Dras the roads will be good hopefully. कैसे हो? यहीं पे ड्यूटी आपकी? यहीं ड्यूटी है?
हाँ, यही ड्यूटी में सोनावर में है।
जोजिला कितना आगे है?
आगे 6-7 किलोमीटर है।
6 पहले पद लिखा हुआ बोर्ड आएगा कुछ जोजिला? ठीक है, ओके सर, नाइस मीटिंग यू। ध्यान से रहो, ध्यान से। Okay, now so we met one of the wonderful persons who saves our country from the enemies. These are army personnel, and they were very friendly. We just spent 2 minutes of time with them. Now we are back on track. So Zojila Pass is 6-7 kilometers from here, and as you see, the roads are very, very, very bad, guys.
I need an angel to save me from myself, holding my savior, keep my heart upon the shelf. Do you remember the things we said, the things we...
So the first river crossing from Sonmarg to Leh. So we crossed, done 24 kilometers from the hotel. What an amazing view, man. What a wonderful view. Can you see this? So we'll be crossing, another water crossing will be facing. So guys, this is 0 point. Here you can do sledging basically. You can enjoy the water, snow sports here. We are not stopping here at the 0 point, and we are moving because we started our journey from Sonmarg 8. So that's why we are not stopping here. But if you should stop down here if you want to have coffee, tea, Maggie, omelette, anything you can have here over here. So now the the temperature is getting down and it's getting cold up. So now, as you can see, you are at Zojila altitude. It's 11,649 feet. As you can see, welcome you to Ladakh. Ho ho! This is the moment. Okay guys, now we are crossing Zojila Pass. As I've already told, that it is one of the dangerous roads in the world and in top 10. So you can also Google this thing, and if I'm wrong, please correct me. by commenting in the video. So guys, make sure you should blow your horn whenever you are turning, whenever you wanna turn, because you don't know some other vehicle is coming or not, so it's better to use the horn. So guys, now we have reached Kargil. Sorry, we have to, I think, fill a form. There was some paperwork has been done. If you're coming to this place, you just have to register your name, your bike name, your father's name, and your contact number, and of course from the place from where you're coming. So battery is getting charged. Now we are all set.
I need an angel to save me from my fate. I need an angel to light the sky along the way.
So now we are surrounded by plains and mountains also, so both at the same time. So guys, we have reached Dras. So it's the board says welcome you to Dras, and as you might be knowing that this is the second coldest inhabited place in the world. सबसे ज़्यादा ठंड होती है यहाँ पर. I've heard that -45-50 डिग्री टेम्परेचर होता है यहाँ सर्दियों में. So अभी तो it's not that much cold. So we are crossing this Dras. We have done around 1100 kilometers from Delhi and 70 kilometers from the hotel in Sonmarg. Now it's cold, but we are not facing the cold because we are fully packed up. We both the inners, upper and lower, we have put up in. This is so beautiful, yaar, so beautiful. Now the roads are good, as we have been told that after Dras you will be facing nice roads. Oh man. Temperature -60 on 9 January 1995. Oh ho ho. So temperature was -60 on 9 January 1995. Here, Dras. That is why it's the second coldest place in the world. Now the cool breeze is blowing. So guys, now we have reached this Kargil War Memorial. This is a memorial which was built because after Operation Vijay that was held in 1999. And let's get in. We are in Kargil War Memorial, and Indian national flags are flying high, and it's a great feeling for all of us. So we all are here, Kapil bhai, Ajay, Subhash bhai and Sangram, and it brings awesome feeling for me. Wow. All the army personnel are here. So this is the Amar Jawan Jyoti, as you can see. Wonderful place. Wonderful place. Okay guys, so now So we are going from Kargil War Memorial. So we almost spent 1 hour in this. We had a tea, we had samosas, and everything was good. We remember those wonderful army officers, army jawans, soldiers who laid their lives here. And now we are heading to Kargil. हाँ
40 रुपीज देनी है।
अरे कारगिल नहीं जाना, ले जाना सीधा।
आपको समझ नहीं, मेरी बात नहीं आ रही। कोई भी गाड़ी आएगी ना यहाँ से, उसको एंट्री करनी है।
So this is the entry fee for entering to Kargil. It was just 20 rupees. Now it's time to refuel. My bike is not in reserve mode, but still I think we should refuel. Good evening guys, it's 5 p.m. in the evening and we have left from Kargil. This is Kargil basically. We just had 10-15 minutes break. We had tea, bread omelette, Maggie and all stuff like that. So Ladakh is almost basically Leh is 210-15 kilometers. So we will be planning to cover this distance in 5 hours. So that is the plan, and the weather seems okay. As you can see, there is a slight chances of rain, but we are hoping that it won't get rain, because even if it rains, we are totally packed up. We are all waterproof, everything. Bags are waterproof, jacket, everything is waterproof. But we are hoping that it won't get rain. But the weather is very good now. So now the plan is Sangram, and Sangram is not driving the bike. Subhash Bhai is driving the bike, and Sangram was feeling a bit sleepy, so they interchanged both the positions. Now me and Ajay are together, and they are ahead of us 2-3 kilometers. Now let's see, probably our next stop is Lama Yuru Monastery. So Lama Yuru Monastery is 105 kilometers from the place where we sat now, and this is the route that we have to take. So let's enjoy the views and let's enjoy the video. Woohoo!
Calling forever for every passing moment left. I need an angel to save me from my fate. I need an angel to light the sky along the way. I need an angel, angel. I need an I need an angel to save me from myself, holding my savior.
Okay, good evening guys. Now it's 10 p.m. in the night, and we have decided not to go to Leh because it was raining cats and dogs, and it's not possible for us to drive to that 100 kilometer from Lama Yuru to Leh. So what we have decided all that we are staying in Lama Yuru. This place is Lama Yuru. So we have taken a room and we are not unpacking anything. Everything is just packed up. We just took the bags and just put it in the room. And what I am doing is I'm just transferring the data, and after that I'll be sleeping and everybody will be sleeping. So we have to go early, probably 5 or 4 in the morning. So the reason why we are staying here, because we will miss the views of Magnetic Hill and that cold desert after before Ladakh. So instead of going to Ladakh and coming back to those places just to have a glimpse of those beautiful views, we decided to stay here, so that we will continue our ride from tomorrow morning, and by 10 or 11 we'll be reaching Leh. So that's the plan, guys, and everything is good, everything is fine. Just because there was some rain, so there is slightly bit headache that I'm facing, and two of my fellow riders are also facing. So this is the room that I can show you. This is the room. So me and Ajay are staying in this room, and rest all three riders are in other room. So dinner is about to come, so we'll be having dinner and then we'll be sleeping. So see you tomorrow morning. Okay, so it's day 6 and it's 5:30 in the morning, and we slept like 5 hours and it was a very nice sleep. Now the plan is we'll be leaving from here within half an hour. So everyone is now wake up, and then the wind is blowing very fast. It's very cold in the morning, and there is a slight problem in my throat, so आवाज़ proper नहीं निकल पा रही है. So the main reason that why we stayed here, I have already told you in the last night. And so the plan is ki we'll be covering Cold Desert and Magnetic Hill from this route, and the Leh is almost 100 kilometers from this place, Lamayuru Monastery, and the hotel name is Dragon Hotel and Garden Restaurant. होटल नेम नहीं बता पाया था लास्ट नाइट को, सो अभी ये बता दी होटल नेम. नाउ सब सामान रेडी है, एवरीथिंग इज़ गुड, एंड आई विल बी पैकिंग द लगेजेस एंड आई विल मीट यू ऑन द राइड्स. गो फास्ट 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 फास्ट, ऑलरेडी लेट हो चुके हैं. सो जल्दी से जाते हैं और बाइक स्टार्ट करते हैं और लद्दाख पहुंचते हैं. बाय बाय.
Okay guys, so it's here in the morning, and as you can see it's a beautiful morning, but there is drizzling. It's drizzling out there, and it's very now it's now a bit difficult to ride because we thought that today it won't rain, but it's raining. Let's enjoy the scenes. So it's drizzling still, and Ladakh is basically Leh. हर बार लद्दाख ही निकलता मुँह से. No problem. So basically Leh is 40 kilometers from the place where we are right now. It's 10:45 in the morning, and the weather seems perfect, but slightly drizzling. It's okay. And we just passed the Cold Desert, as you have seen till now. So that was a wonderful feeling, and we really enjoyed that. Khardungla is 86, one of the best places we will see. Leh is 37 kilometers. So guys, this is the Magnetic Hill, as you can see. So if you park your bike here, if you park your car here, your car will move. This is the phenomena, Magnetic Hill, the phenomena that defies gravity. Park your vehicle in the box, mark with the paint on the road, and experience the wonder. Okay, it's 11:15 in the morning, and we just clicked 3-4 photographs in the Magnetic Hill, and now we have left this place, and Leh is 29 kilometers from here. This is the view. I can feel this view, and I can visualize how fantastic I can feel it. And look at the beautiful jamun flowers. Everything is so perfect here, guys, and the clouds are touching the mountains. Everything is so fabulous, so wonderful, man. इतना अच्छा मुझे कभी नहीं लगा लाइफ में, जो ये लद्दाख कभी मुझे आज देखने के लिए मिल रहा है. ओहो, I am seriously in love with this view. Seriously in love with this view. It's the best I can ever think of. So there is a 20 rupees entry fees. बिफोर कमिंग टू ले के थोड़ी देर पहले ही. सो वेलकम टू ले. So we have entered Leh. Okay guys, now so finally we have reached Leh. This is Leh city, as you can see clearly. This is Leh city. So सुभाष भाई सबकी हालत थोड़ी उतरी बड़ी है क्योंकि बहुत ज़्यादा टफ रास्ता था, बारिश हो रही सुबह से. संग्राम, दिस इज़ मी एंड अजय एंड दे बोथ हैव कम. सो ये रूम ढूंढने गए थे. So guys, we have parked our bikes. We just had coffee. Now they both will have coffee and we will go to room. Okay guys, so now we are in our room. We have finally reached Leh and it was a very tough ride. But it was tough because it was raining a lot. So now we are in Hotel Mehak. It's 7:30 in the evening. We came here at around 3:30 in the afternoon and we did some unpacking and transferring the data, and also it took us 2-3 hours. And we were deciding about the permit. So we didn't get the permit today because of so and so issues. So we'll be getting the permit tomorrow morning, probably 10-11 a.m. in the morning, and we'll be going to Pangong or Khardungla. So the plan is not even sure with us also. So I'll be updating the plan tomorrow morning. So this is the view from my room. This is the Leh city. So this hotel is almost 2 kilometers from the main area. Now we have been told by the local people that the Khardungla is blocked because of heavy snowfall, but it might get open tomorrow. So अभी किसी का भी श्योर नहीं है कि क्या जाना है, कहाँ पे जाना है. We met other riders also. So plan अभी किसी का भी श्योर नहीं है because rainfall बहुत हो रही है और वहाँ पे snowfall हो रही है. So I'll update you whenever we'll get the final information.